Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Rithmic to Tradingview. Now if you come into Tradingview and you try to connect a broker, you will notice that Rithmic is not available. What you will need is a bridge. And for this I suggest you use something like Pick My Trade. They have API compatibility with Rithmic. You can start a free trial as well. And what will essentially happen is you'll go ahead and connect your Rhythmic account right here, either live or demo. You enter your credentials, and then you can generate alerts for TradingView indicators or strategies through this. And then you connect that, and you'll be able to use it in your Rhythmic dashboard itself. Because otherwise, as you can see, the broker is not allowed. If anyone is making a video telling you that you can do it directly, it's just a fake video. It doesn't work. You need to find a bridge. So if you found this helpful, we appreciate the honesty. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.